So, after 2 years of restrictions and isolations, what has really been so important and so useful and so heartwarming is connection with other people. Connecting with people in person, doing something together, it really has been so, so wonderful. And perhaps this has given us a contrast on why connection and friendships are important. There's nothing more, I think, abundant than when we have heartfelt connections. That's when our heart expands. Um, we feel rich in our connections. That's how we heal. We don't heal in isolation. So some of the questions I get is, people living with family members, whether it's a spouse or a parent, is the same spouse or the parent that they believe has done things to traumatize them. How do you still live with them when they have caused you so much pain? You know, life is life is not easy sometimes. It can be a pain in the butt, but healing is about consciousness in movement. So as hard as it is to be with those who have hurt you, sometimes we can avoid it because we have a choice. Other times we don't have a choice, right? I mean, imagine living with a child, a teenager who's constantly is a challenge. What are you going to do? Kick them out? So the point of that is that it is challenging, but it provides such a tremendous opportunity for us to open to what is. This is the predicament. I have to be with this person, but this is the person who has hurt me. Talk about acceptance. Talk about opening your heart. Talk about looking at a bigger perspective, because connection is about something bigger than yourself. So I'm not suggesting that you deliberately hang out with people who hurt you, but in life situations where that can be helped. So you've been chosen because you are ready for that bigger, deeper lesson, bigger, deeper heart opening. What we cannot get rid of or escape from, our only defense is deep, deep, radical surrender. So, talk about acceptance. It's acceptance at the deeper level, letting go of all what the perception was painful, letting go of all judgment, taking radical responsibility, all kinds of things. So, the first thing is deep, deep surrender. There's acceptance, my friends. We're going to be talking about this in detail in my upcoming course, 6 Steps to Emotional Freedom, July 19th, 26th. Link is below. Mark your calendars. You don't want to miss this. Click the link and register.